was that? So how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, this is November's installment of Reading Japanese Meet. Now you join me at car park right by Reading Gate, which is where I usually park up. So the roundabout is just over there. The car meet starts in about 40 minutes. We are here quite early. So yeah, we'll head to the roundabout very soon. But yeah, it's quite cold, so I've been sat in the car with the heating on. Okay. I don't even know what that was. I couldn't even see. Things just downshifted. Oh, the Integra. That was making all the noise then. So I can hear it coming all the way down the road. The Integra is in the traffic. Hopefully we can hear it a little bit more than what we can now. I'm not sure what the traffic is about. All of a sudden it's come to a standstill. The signs of the police have arrived. They're making their entrance. Right, we're heading this way. So apparently the police van isn't the only van here. There are like 2-3 more police cars sat over in the car park, which I didn't know about. It's not Japanese, but we do have an ST. We have a set of yellow headlights, and that usually indicates that it's a Japanese car. Usually. That is very, very loud. Wow. Oh. Revving and making his entrance. And that with underglow, yes, the Evo wagon. I've been told that there is a police drone apparently going up, and I think that may be it. I'm not sure, it just took over from this corner. So yeah, and the car's arriving, which I just missed. Oh yes, a Mark II. Here comes like the 4th police car tonight. Right, the drone is now above the roundabout and it's making a noise, or it's the building, I'm not sure, but it's hovering just there. RS. That alarm is very annoying. Oh, my camera just doesn't focus like always. That is unfortunate. Oh, there are police officers coming down here, wondering what's going on. There's now even more officers walking down, so that's 4 officers here just on the roundabout. It turns out the police are also filming cars arriving at Reading Jap Meet somewhere. One of them's holding the camera. It's getting a bit crazy now, so we've got 2 officers there, 2 there with the camera, and 2 more behind me. It's getting a bit awkward. There we are, we can finally see the officer with the camera. I wonder how good his YouTube quality is. Just like the car meet Saturday, the police are parked up at the roundabout once again. Now, when they was there last time, they had a speed gun up. So the same thing might occur today. The amount of police here though, I can't go with the fact. This is mad. There's 6 officers. Oh, the Honda S2000 refuses to arrive. We have a Mini, we have an Evo and a Mark IV Golf in the queue of traffic. But first, the Mini is arriving. The police officers are still there, by the way. Arriving sensibly. That's like 400 brake horsepower, arriving very quietly. Next up, the Evo is arriving. And then next up, the Golf. That's also turboed. And a Mark I with the roof down, of course. Oh, and a Mark V Golf. roundabout. I'm going to go take a look into the event, which is just over there. Pictures will be over on my Instagram, which will be on the screen. There's too much police here. There's not a lot going on either. And pretty much the car arrivals have slowed down quite a bit. So yeah, I will see you at the exit. All the pictures will be over on my Instagram. Like I said, it'll be on the screen, and I'll see you at the exit. As we're walking to the exit, you can see a police car parked up just up there. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna go like to the lights of someone's just pulled out their beeping. Yeah, and the police officer's parked on the park. The police are parked up in the same spot, and the Astra VXR that arrived earlier, that was doing flames, has broken down, and there is a recovery truck for it. So let's get a closer view. So the car actually does start, so I'm not sure why it's going on a recovery. I don't know if the police have seized, I don't know what's going on. But here we are filming it. Oh, he stalled it. It's got condensation in the headlights though. We have an E46 M3 for sale, so if anyone wants an E46 M3, 14 grand, well, there you are. The Astra got recovered like an hour ago and it's just driven past again. Just noticed behind me as well, the drone is going back up. As we can see, it's now got a flashing light on there. So yeah, they're going to be camping at the exit. Just hit the limiter quite a bit. I've stood on the other side of the road for that. We've also got our police van. Oh, it's got a flame kit. Also police camped up right by the exit, just over there, so that's the reason why I'm so far up the road. Turbo. There's the towing Mini, unmarked, just in that BMW. It's a real shame we can't hear the cars that much tonight. The car park empty. We've still got a few officers stood just over there. Yeah, it is coming to a close. We've got a Turbo MX-5 driving past, another MX-5, and yeah, police are still camped out up there. is also filming for his YouTube channel of cars arriving and leaving Reading Japanese Meet tonight. But yeah, I'm now going to end this video here. That was it from Reading Japanese Meet. That was it from November. And as you saw by last month, why the police are here, there was a crash that happened from the Gulf. And that is exactly why there is so much police presence here tonight. But yeah, it's been a bit crazy. I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next video.